In this video, I'll show you how to see app install history on iPhone. So if you want to see which apps are installed on your iPhone with the App Store, then here is how you actually can do this process. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to check this, first thing first, you just need to open up the App Store from your iPhone or iPad, and from the App Store, you just need to go ahead and tap on this profile icon at the top right. And from here, you just need to tap on apps, and inside this one, you'll get to see all those apps that are installed on my iPhone. But if you tap on not on this iPhone here, and this is going to show you all those apps that was previously installed, but now it's recommending you to install it again. You'll get to see all those apps with the specific dates, and you can identify when the application was installed on your iPhone. And this is how you can check the installed app history on iPhone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.